Listen, I searched for years, probably seeking the same answers you are after right now. How to make my already good life more, way more, and not feel guilty about it, not procrastinate on my next steps, do it my way in the limited time I had. And oh, if I could actually feel happy doing it, that would be a bonus. Well, I got way more than I was hoping for. And when I repeated this process with clients and it worked for them too, I knew I was onto something special. But I still didn't believe my aha moment was valid. Just like any normal human being, I needed confirmation from somewhere else outside myself that I wasn't going nuts. Then, as the saying goes, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. I connected with masters whose methodologies, when I examined them closely, confirmed that my intuitive approach had solid foundations. Part of what I've discovered had been successfully practiced for decades. Just imagine the power of what I got, a combination of successfully proven modalities that worked in perfect symphony, blended just the right way, specifically for you. So when I say this might sound too good to be true, it's not exaggeration.